Alright, I'm going to show you some Google Calendar stuff that I've learned and taken away from my research that was offered through the trainings. These are some of the standards that I found connected well. I'm helping colleagues understand better and use the resources that Google Calendar can offer, and also showing that you can connect your colleagues or loved ones using Google Calendars, and the ability to create communication that we can all appreciate and value. Reasons that I believe you should use Google Calendar is it's free. As an educator, I think especially we're always looking for new resources that do not cost out of pocket for us. That's a great thing. You can share your schedule and calendar with others. It doesn't necessarily have to be coworkers. So if you want to share it with your loved ones or relatives, that's always a plus. You have the ability to invite people to events and RSVPs, so nothing about like sending something in the mail and it getting tossed in the trash. It's just something quick and they can RSVP right away and it instantly returns to you. You have your calendar on the go with you, so if you're at a doctor's appointment and you have to make a new follow-up appointment, you can just pull up your calendar and you'll have all of your information there with you. You never have to worry about not being connected to the Wi-Fi because it will work offline, and you have the ability to sync with other desktop apps. I compared Google Calendar with Outlook Calendar because our district uses Outlook as our email and our calendar resource. There are many similarities between the two, and they both have similar functionalities. They were both easy setup for both of the programs. Overall, though, I think Google Calendar has a cleaner setup. It's not as busy or have as much going on around the screen, which is something I can appreciate. Getting started with Google Calendar, you just open up your phone or your tablet and you can sync it as long as you have that app or that program on your setup already on your phone or tablet. To create or edit a calendar is very simple, and you can have different views, as I will show you in a little bit. Creating and editing an event, there will be a create button on the top left corner, and as soon as you click that, it'll automatically prompt you to create a title, and then below that there is a date, time, and range. You can access more options where you can invite people or schedule or make sure that people know that you're busy during that time span. And then sharing a calendar, you go to settings and then you choose the particular calendar that you want to share, and then you access permissions for whoever, whether it's your staff, your loved one, whoever it may be. Those are my references. So let's take a look. Getting to Google Calendar. Now I just have this quick link right here on my computer that I go to my drive. That's just something I set up myself. But you go to the square that says Google Apps, and here's all your suites. So you go to Calendar. And as you can see, I do not have a lot going on here because our district does use Outlook. I have all my information on there, and I have not switched over to here, but I was playing around a little bit with the spring break, just kind of seeing what all it can do on that end of it. I like that you can, let me see if I can move this over. I like that you can click that, and then you can come down here, click this little arrow, and now you have a full screen of just your calendar, which is awesome. I love that it's just very clean, open, and not busy at all, so it doesn't overwhelm me. And then of course you can just go back and click all of those again. You can switch your views from a single day, which will give you your hours. You can even do a year, a week, but my preference is the month. I like to see everything that's going on and what to expect. You can color code things, so you can see that I have my events in pink. Pink's my favorite color. And then holidays and United States are green. And then if I had any birthdays, reminders, whatnot, they would show up as those colors right there. Overall, I think it's very simple to kind of navigate and explore, and I'm excited to get more of my information in here and really take advantage of everything that Google Calendars has to offer.